focus on anything else. Oh, yeah. Your skin against mine tonight. Lost track of time itself. Temperature rising fast while storm clouds pass. Every touch, every sigh, making moments last. Getting warmer in here, despite the weather outside. Everything disappears when you're by my side. Cold rain can't cool what's burning inside. What's burning inside? Feel the heat while the thunder rolls by. Thunder rolls by. Cold rain can't cool what's burning inside. Baby, let nature take its time. Droplets on the window pane, creating rhythms with your heart. Oh, bodies moving, no restraint, like we knew this from the start. Lightning flashes bright, illuminating signs of the passion we share in these perfect lines. Getting closer now, as thunder shakes the ground. No turning back somehow, when love's been found. Cold rain can't cool what's burning inside. What's burning inside? Feel the heat while the thunder rolls by. Thunder rolls by. Cold rain can't cool what's burning inside. Baby, let nature take its time. Listen to the rhythm of the raindrops hitting, while we're in our own world, perfectly fitting. No need to rush, let the moment build, like pressure in clouds before they're filled. Every touch is electric, spark after spark, creating light in between us and the dark. Weather outside matching our intensity, this natural connection, feeling like destiny. Temperature rising, but we keep it slow, like summer rain helping flowers grow.